We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Nginenkalakatha la, the legendary killer wekhosi.
Akusekusempijako grand.
Angazi noma ngigrand ngoba u11.
Hayi mina ngikho grand mfethu, angikho grand ngoba emyami bengithi ayikho ibhare ezofahla lapha phakathi la. Kumele baphume bana 0 point. So bamanenjile ukuthi baphume ne1 point. Although ngithi congratulations kibo ngoba this season iKaizer Chiefs ifike ifikile. Uzobezwa abantu abanomona bakhuluma izinto abayithandayo ngeKaizer Chiefs but yabona namuhla ku first half like ngizibone ngathi defenders too much ama-winger besinganawo ngasho ukuthi akekho umuntu beyadlala uwinger ngoba amabhola mabawa crosser bekangatholi umuntu phambili bonke badefender yabo so then sabuya second half same squad lesi bedlala ngaso first half but manager ukuthi senzeni score goal mascore goal ngenzakalani okay ucoach wabona ukuthi okay manje kumele a-change Batman ube nenkinga ngathi squad or amalentezana washo wathi akasekho right amkhiphe okay mama mkhipha bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bangafaka uShabalala or uVilakazi or uVelebhayi yabo kuze kuzokhona uku-attack you understand then azange sikhona nokuthi sizo-attack ngoba uthe maceda wakhipha uphila uphile ulangelihle uphile lantwana le khona ama-player guys noma ngadlala kanjani uwabona ukuthi maybe ayalekha kancane akunikezi le 100% or le 80% oyifunayo ongamelanga uwakhiphe ngoba once kaphuma lo yamfana lo umndawo ube nechance wakhuphuka ukuthi akhuphuke and lantwana la bemvalile umndawo yabo bangakwazi ukukhuphuka so namuhla ngasho ukuthi basindile ngoba nale goal lakhona ngili-understand ora iphume ezandleni zaPeterson or bale head alibambile anga-understand but naye uPeterson uzohlala phansi abheke ukuthi yini into eyenzekile laphayana ukuze naye azolungisa ama-mistake wakhe uyazi sifunda ngama-mistake so uma ungana-mistake angawuzomuntu and uyabona iKaizer Chiefs the way ngakhona bhuti wami kahle ngifuna ukutshela into eyi-1 asadeserve ukudlala nabo Ntombukayise asideserve futhi ukudlala nayo le Mamelodi Sundowns mina bengifuna iSpain uqobo lwaso
national team yaseSpain
le ithatha iWorld Cup
Rodri
ngifuna bona bazobona nje abomfundo lapha bazobona boVelebhayi yabona babone nje ama-player wami abo-Batman wonke lama-player
okusemthetho
umlilo abanye abantu babhizi bathi asina quality mina ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ine quality and uJunior Khanya ngiyathemba ukuthi udlisa abantu abaningi udlisa abaningi uBetway
utheni uJunior Khanya
obvious uzothi Sundowns izowina mos bagijima abantu bathola inhloko enkulu bobheja bafike bashaywe batshela yona ne ukuthi ningabo mlalela uJunior Khanya ngoba manje abantu abaningi bayakhala and ayikho i-refund lapha yana kuBetway ayikho i-refund
sorry man iphutha bengenze so uJunior Khanya
ngosana
abakubuyiseli imali yakho
abakubuyiseli but iKaizer Chiefs mina ngijabulile the way idlala ngakhona although ngajabulanga like ngokuthi ucoach ku-first half sidefendile like sitshengise sengathi sayisaba iSundowns ekubeni asisabi thina ama-support iSundowns sishaye before ama-player ayishaye so kuyenzeka imistake nabo bakhona uku-equalize kabayi-1-1 but congratulations ngoba yi-win yabo le ukuthi bathole 1 point thina as amakhosi ayiluzi ethu ayiluzi mfethu yabona kungakho siyiphuzela izinto zokwehlisa ngoba ukwehlisa ulaka ngoba iluzi iluzi
kodwa adlalela
amakhosi aboyini amakhosi atadlayo abantu lo ngakaboni ukuthi ikhosi likhona athatha kubaba
nakhensa bhuti
akhensa mina ngona mani awe ngiqhwila kiri ikinbuleji